Welcome to Chapter 8, Legal Documentation. In this chapter, we will explore the key legal documents that govern the formation and operation of alternative investment funds. These documents define the rights, responsibilities, and obligations of the various participants involved in the fund, including investors, sponsors, and fund managers. Proper legal documentation is essential for ensuring transparency, regulatory compliance, and protection of investor interests. One of the most important documents in an alternative investment fund is the Private Placement Memorandum, or PPM. The PPM is the primary disclosure document provided to potential investors before they commit their capital. It contains detailed information about the fund's investment strategy, objectives, risk factors, fee structure, governance framework, and investor rights. For example, if a fund plans to invest in early-stage startups, this will be clearly outlined in the PPM along with the associated risks. This document helps investors make informed decisions and understand exactly what they are investing in. Many alternative investment funds in India are structured as trusts, which makes the trust deed a critical legal document. The trust deed establishes the legal framework of the fund and defines the relationship between the trustee and the investors. It outlines the duties, powers, and responsibilities of the trustee, who is responsible for overseeing the fund and ensuring that it operates in accordance with regulations. This document plays an important role in safeguarding investor interests and maintaining proper governance within the fund structure. Another key document is the Investment Management Agreement, which defines the relationship between the fund and the investment manager. This agreement outlines the responsibilities of the manager, including how investment decisions are made, how the portfolio is managed, and what level of authority the manager has. It also specifies the compensation structure, including management fees and carried interest. This ensures that the investment manager operates within clearly defined boundaries and is accountable for their decisions. Legal documentation plays a crucial role in ensuring that an alternative investment fund operates in a structured and transparent manner. These documents clearly define the rights and responsibilities of all participants, reduce the risk of disputes, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. They also provide confidence to investors by ensuring that their interests are protected. In the next chapter, we will explore investment strategies used by AIFs and understand how these funds deploy capital to generate returns.